sun greets the mountain before it hits the floor. We've seen the seasons, we've walked through the door. One day we're flying, touching the blue. Next day we're grounded, starting anew. The rhythm of life is a heavy person. No time for fear and no time for discussion. If you're down in the dirt, don't you stay in the shade. The greatest of kings are the ones who were made. In the struggle, explosion of sound, high energy. We rise and we fall, but we never stay down. Tinomuka, Simuka, we wake up, we rise. In every shadow, our light can be found. Hatina, magumo, we have no end. From the earth to the sky, hear the sound of the call. Simuka Upitunze, rise and we fall. Rise and we fall. Check the pulse, yeah, the heart's still beating. Victory's coming, it's never retreating. Like a milestone, the city we're built for. The cruise, even when we're losing, we got nothing to lose. Kushinga, mweya, that's the strength in the soul. Keep the vision in sight, keep the eyes on the goal. When the gravity pulls, just remember the flight. The stars only shine in the middle of night. Drums, scream back, just claim legs and Kuwa, hachisi, chigumo. Falling is not the end. Kumuka niko, kusimba. Rising is where